Nikkan Sports was reported that to SMAP dissolution. Independent from other Takuya Kimura Johnny as of January 13. Currently is up articles to web version of the Nikkan Sports. In the net, Twitter users who think that the baseball fans and newsagent parties seems to be subscribers of the daily sports, tweet surprised to scoop the Nikkan Sports with heading photo of newspaper. However, it's not going up is the article in the Nikkan Sports Web version at the time, from the fact that drama Fuji TV in 2014 was broadcast in 27 hours television was the theme of the dissolution of SMAP, is confused with the